Wagwan, my people. Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan. And in today's video, we are into our day 2 on our new series. Today we are about to start to install our precast above our garage. And I want to walk you through the process of how to install a precast onto our angle iron. I want to show you what I've done so far and what I'm about to do in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it and show you what's going on over here. So we already finished this section over here. This stone that I'm laying here, it's a 2-dimension stone. It only comes with a medium and a small. So we finished this section here the first day we worked here. Come all the way over here. And we work our way, come over here as well. I finish this section, install my precast. And I lay up here. As you see, we have our line. At this end, we also have one over there, just to make sure that we maintain the straightness of the corner. It's very important to have a straight line. Make sure all your stone beside your precast here are in line with each other, so it looks nice and straight and professional. In today's video, we're gonna install our precast. That's gonna go right along here. With our Tyvek, we have pieces of Tyvek all over, so we're gonna tape the seam, make sure that it's nice and waterproof, nice and watertight. No water we don't want in there, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna install our precast along there. Okay, so I already show you what I've done so far, and I show you what I'm about to do. No further ado, let's dive right into it. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more cool videos like this one. Let's dive right into it. So there is Mr. Sanjay doing we're getting preparing up to go and lay some stone. This mortar that we're using is a type S mortar mixed with regular all-purpose sand. And we're mixing to a consistency of a mayonnaise peanut butter. It depends on how you use your mortar. This is how I like to use it. Trying to get it nice and tight as how you want it. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Okay, guys, so here, first thing I did here, I installed my whipping plastic. And after that, I installed my Tyvek. Now we're gonna get some tape. We're gonna tape the seam now. Make sure that it's nice and sealed. You finish with your tape, you just wanna fold it over. Just like so, that way it's easy for you when you're ready again to use it. So now we're just gonna measure here. We'll take some measurement now, guys. This one, jump up on after that. Let's take some measurement. Here I'm catching the total width of the garage. So we have 210 and a half. So that would be 105 and a quarter. Over here, go over that side and hold it up. We're gonna cut it 105. We have to cut a small piece from it, and we're gonna install it. $105. Just put in a little bit of, just a tiny bit of mortar on my angle line here, guys, just to help to stabilize the stone. And I also keep my weeping plastic away because I like to have my weeping plastic 1/4 inch on the edge of where my stone is going to be. Ready?
Ready.
Woo! I'm going to flip it on the back. You turn up. You have to be careful so you're not chippy. And then we have to go flip over the brick tie them. You can't carry some more to me though.
You want to carry some more to you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, you want to flip at the same time?
Yeah. You want to your side. You want to your side, yeah.
Ready? Come on, get us on there. The taboo, we'll not go too far. Come to me, look a bit. Come to me. So we're in a high wall. Okay. Push it upon the wall as much as I can get it. Flip it. Like you twist out the batter. Put a reveal on it. Like you twist it out, so don't hold it though. Ready? Go.
Too much round this one, you know.
Watch out, Chris, when I hold up in there, watch your hold. You left put your hand on it, you know. Come in. Okay, we are going with this. Alright. It's a mortar and a little bit time because you use different stuff. Same price up for that, right?
So when I go to the beach, so I think that night.
Yeah, we're in storm and Angola, you know. Good on. Yeah, we're in fast and so man, dog. Go back. Go up with you. Yeah, good on. Call on him, not that. So nobody can't say the call load him down. Oh, to hold this is heavy. Come like it no, even big tie. Come if you hold it up. You don't see come like it even make a difference. Alright, go down back. You know, I'm trying to put this stone underneath because this is sitting weight like that. That alone can't see.
No.
Go down now. Alright, so let's do that. Let's do that. I'm going to just screw up this arm then. I'm going to chill it. Did I use all wire brush? I couldn't let that. Years before this I dried out. Look at the edge of it flush with the other stone, Christopher. I want to go back to some. Don't rock is standing. I see him probably. It flush. Yeah?
Yeah, flush.
Ready? I should block over. You have a shoe, you have a count for 2. 1, 2, 3. You have a shoe, quick. Yeah, load the camera with that. Let me go cut him. Guys, these guys are, I don't know where their strength is this morning. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yeah, look if you're good. Okay, hold him there, so. I'm gonna give you the level, and then you're gonna make sure that it's plumb nicely. So I'm banging it now, guys, to make sure that we put this one right in the studs. Studs is right there. One is also here. You want to make sure that you put it in the studs so that it hold it up in place. We have this in place. We're gonna make sure we put our level this way, just to make sure both of them are in line. We're also gonna plumb it this way as well. Hold this on there. Okay, it looks like it's plumb. I want to run a line after I just get this one. I run a line, string line. Good. Now that we plumb it, I'm gonna drill into my Precast here. Here I have some 2" screw, some 2" half-punch screw. I'm gonna just make sure that it's nice and plumb and screw this in place. Nice. So now that I screw one in place to help to release a bit of the tension from them, I'm gonna run a string line to make sure that both of them are in line with each other. Look like
come on,
eh?
Two of them middle one come on.
Middle one come on. What about the reveal over there? So you have you seen a reveal over there upon the one there? Check if you save it plumb. Put the level pan if you save it plumb. If not, then you have to go probably pluck out a little bit. Move. Move. Plumb. Plumb. Stop on. How's that?
Still want to come up more. Yeah.
See guys, I put the point of my my hammer, and I use the nozzle here to push it to where I want her to be. Free tip there guys, free tip! All I ask for that is just to give the video a thumbs up so YouTube can help to spread it. What's that?
Just a little bit more. 1/8.
I don't know, man. It's good like this. Good for Canada, man. Here, do. Here now, guys, we're just gonna fill this, make sure that it's nice and filled properly. While I'm filling this, I have Sanjay and Chris down here trying to put a piece of support in the middle to help to support it. As we go up, you know the weight's gonna be on it, so you want to put some form of support in the middle of the angle line underneath, or the lintel. These Precast here, they come way too big. So what I did here, I measured the center of the garage, and then I share the measurements so that I can have both pieces of precast the same size. Rather than just cut one of them, we cut both. We cut the two pieces. So that we have the joining right in the center of the garage door. If you don't tight, you have to put something underneath it. Because it have to be tight underneath it. It's not going to serve no purpose. So what I did here, you see here behind this precast, it comes with some brick ties. So we just secure the brick ties into our joist. You want to make sure that you go through and make sure you find where the studs are and secure them right in the studs. If for instance there's no studs where you put this one, you want to put in some, just like what we did for these ones. Make sure that you secure them nicely. Drill into it and use some top gun 2-inch screw to screw them in place. Yeah, so that's it. We're gonna go ahead now and start to install our stone above. Okay guys, well there you have it. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more kind of video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to come back a few days and we'll have more video for you.